हे गाइस, वेलकम टू क्रिएटिव प्लस। तो चलिए इस वीडियो में हम चैट जीपीटी से किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन लेते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, हियर आई एम फेसिंग लैपटॉप विद अ ब्लैक स्क्रीन प्रॉब्लम, ओके, and I'm going to resolve this problem by ChatGPT. So let's start. As you can see, here I am on the home page of ChatGPT, and now I'll give a voice command. Actually, I'm getting solution by voice command. So let's start. Hey ChatGPT, actually I need your help here. I'm facing problem with a black screen on my laptop. What can I do?
I'm sorry you're dealing with that. Let's try a few things to fix it. 1. Restart your laptop. Hold down the power button until it turns off, then turn it back on. 2. Check connections. If you're using an external monitor, make sure all cables are securely connected. 3. Boot in safe mode. Try booting in safe mode by restarting your laptop and pressing the F8 key, or another key specific to your laptop model, to access advanced boot options. 4. External display. Connect your laptop to an external monitor to see if the screen is working there. 5. Check for updates. If you can get the screen to display, check for any pending system or driver updates. If these steps don't help, there might be a hardware issue and you may need to contact technical support. Let me know if you need more help.
Yeah, actually I can tell you a specific problem. Actually I am facing problem with my Dell laptop model number 5888, and that is a black screen, nothing on the screen. So I think F8, as you mentioned, that restart in safe mode. But how can I get that screen? Actually, I'm not getting anything on the screen.
Got it. If you're having trouble seeing anything on the screen, let's try these steps. 1. Power cycle. Completely turn off your laptop by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Then, turn it back on. 2. External monitor. If you have an external monitor, connect it to your laptop. Sometimes the laptop screen might not display, but an external monitor
Okay,
can help.
wait. I'm trying first one. Okay, so I'm pressing the the power button for 10 seconds. Then I'll let you know that what's going on.
Sure, take your time. Let me know once it's turned off and back on.
Yeah, actually I pressed it for more than 10 seconds, and yeah, now I think it's started, but I'm not able to see anything on the screen again.
Alright, since the screen is still black, let's try a couple more steps. 1. Brightness. Make sure the brightness isn't turned all the way down. There might be a function key like F2 or F3 that adjusts the brightness.
Actually I'm sure about it. Actually I have set my brightness previously. By tomorrow I know that that is enough. Yeah, actually I'm creating a video or something content on my laptop, so I'm well aware about all this. So brightness is not the issue. Actually I know about this.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. Since brightness isn't the issue, let's try this. 1. Perform a hard reset. Disconnect all external devices like USB drives. Then hold down the power button for about 15 seconds to perform a hard reset. After that, try turning it on again. 2. Check for beep codes or lights. When you try to turn it on, listen for any beep sounds or look for any flashing lights. These can indicate specific issues.
No,
Let me know how-
actually, I want to mention something about actually nothing blinking. Whenever I'm plugging my laptop with charger, that's a normal indicator, and when I'm trying starting my laptop, that is also normal light is usual. Yeah, but when I started it started after blinking is some blinking screen. So I ask you, so you decide told me, instructed me that please update your driver. Actually, so I have removed the driver and restarted the laptop, so that was resolved. I was not facing that problem again, screen blinking or black screen problem. But now again I'm getting a problem like black screen, that is more than that previous one. Yeah.
It sounds like the issue might be more persistent. Since you've already tried updating the driver and the problem came back, here are a couple more steps to consider. 1. Boot into safe mode. Even if you can't see anything on the screen, Try booting into safe mode by turning on the laptop and immediately pressing the F8 key.
F8, yeah, F8 is for Dell 5888 model or F12.
For Dell laptops, typically you can access safe mode by pressing the F8 key during startup.
Okay. Just wait. I'm trying.
Take your time. Let me know how it goes.
Okay.
All right. Let me know if you see any changes or if you need further assistance.
Yeah, I'm trying actually. Now I'm pressing the power button for 15 seconds as you mentioned. Then I'll press again and I'll press F8.
Got it. Take your time and let me know what happens once you try to start it up again.
Sure. Yeah.
All right. I'm here if you need more help.
Yeah, every time I'm getting valuable help by you. Yeah, and every time I'm getting whatever I want for my content or anything, you quickly replies is perfect answer with perfect answer. Sometimes also you are giving more options that if I want to add on something with that, so that is also very good. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your kind words. I'm really glad I could help. If you have any more questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask.
No, actually, I didn't get any screen even after pressing F8 key. So,
I understand. Since you're still not seeing anything on the screen, it might be a hardware issue. Here are a couple more things to try. 1. Reset the RAM. If you're comfortable opening your laptop, try reseating the RAM. Sometimes, loose RAM can cause black screens. 2. Check the display connection. If you recently moved or dropped your laptop, the display cable might be loose. If you're not comfortable doing these yourself, it might be best to contact Dell support or a professional technician for help.
I know about this actually. Tomorrow, I have cleaned my RAM by removing that. So, if you are mentioning again, then I can try it. Yeah, and it's not taking more time. So I can do it quickly. Yeah.
Got it. If you're comfortable reseating the RAM, that can help. Just make sure to power off and unplug the laptop before you open it up.
And I need to remove battery also.
If you're referring to removing the battery, it depends on your laptop model. For many modern laptops,
No, actually, I have already mentioned about the model Dell 5888. So why you are every time asking model? So you should be aware that for what model I am talking about.
I apologize for the confusion. For the Dell 5888 model, if you're comfortable, you can proceed with reseating the RAM as it might help.
Yeah, actually, I'm getting communication with you that you are also aware that what's the problem and where is the problem, what's the model number. Actually, if I have already mentioned that, you should be remind about that.
I understand, and I appreciate your patience. If you've already tried reseating the RAM and the issue persists, it might be best to contact Dell support or a professional technician. They can help diagnose and fix
Yeah, I got your point, whatever you are trying to say, but you can suggest or you can tell me something about else that what problem can be there, so I can easily get that. Actually, yeah, I know that I can't fix everything with my laptop. So if you can suggest that all these problem can be there, so it will be helpful. Actually, I'm aware about all this the issue. Actually, I'm using laptop by more than last 15 years, so I know about all the parts and all these things. So if you can tell me something about that, so I can get rid of this problem.
Understood. Given that you're experienced with laptops, here are a few potential causes for a black screen. 1. Display issue. The laptop's display cable might be loose or damaged. 2. Graphics card. There could be an issue with the laptop's graphics card or its connection. 3. Motherboard. Sometimes issues with the motherboard can cause a black screen. 4. Power supply. Ensure that the laptop is receiving adequate power. Since
No. Please start again. What was the at the first number?
Sure, here are the potential causes for a black screen. 1. Display issue. The
So
laptop
so
display
so so what is where is I can find the setting or anything whatever you mentioned that can be loose. So where I can find that?
For checking the display cable or related components, accessing the display cable. Typically, you'd need to open the laptop's back panel. This involves removing screws and carefully prying open the casing. The display cable connects the screen to the motherboard. Caution, if you're not experienced with laptop hardware, it's recommended to consult a professional.
Okay, and that
I'm
was
sorry.
that what?
Hit the daily limit for advanced voice. You can switch to standard now to keep chatting.
Okay, thank you, thank you.